So I make no apology putting the safety and dignity of women first as part of equality between the sexes. I know the abuse that I will get online for saying so, because frankly, women get the blame whatever we do in our situations. Indeed, judging by the emails I've had today, it's either mine or my mother's fault. I made the mistake that many MPs make of actually reading my emails today. Your views are a disgrace to humanity and a betrayal of the truly innocent. Women can always say no or keep their clothes on. You, madam, were once an embryo. You, madam, were once a fetus in your mother's womb. You were once a pre-born baby. I wonder what decision you have wanted your mother to make about your life or death had she been given the opportunity in the months before you were born. Now, I respect those who disagree with abortion on all grounds as a matter of faith. And I say to those who only think of the extremes this simplest point. If you only support access to abortion in cases of rape or incest or fatal fetal abnormality, then in essence your concern is more about the manner that a woman became pregnant in than abortion. Why does it matter to trust women and give them the chance to control their own bodies, not to be forced to continue an unwanted pregnancy? Because it is about freedom. So shout at me all you want. This is not Gilead, and we should not be frightened to speak up for the equal rights of women. Because to do so is to put women's life and liberation at risk. Because the truth is, in 2018, we still don't trust our own women. This is the one healthcare decision that no UK woman can make on her own. That's why the UN has called on us to repeal these specific sections of law. And no assembly, or indeed this place, can make any progressive law for itself on this subject without doing so. So in supporting this proposal, every member can send a message that in 2018, all the women of the UK deserve to be treated as equal citizens. I'm just about to finish. 100 years ago, 150 years rather, is a long time to wait for social justice. So let's not wait anymore. Today, we ask the ministers to commit to a timetable when the will of the House can be tested on this issue, where rather than waiting 150 years, we wait at most 150 days before we see change, so that we truly get, in the 21st century laws. That the D of the debate is today, but that we have a time for the other D, decision-making, in order to bring dignity to all of our constituents. I ask the ministers, give us a date. Yeah.